Welcome to Theater Appreciation. My name is Kareen King, and I'll be your instructor for the semester. This should be an interesting year. We don't know exactly how all this will play out with the pandemic, but I'm glad you enrolled in this class, and it should be an interesting class. We're going to be covering elements of theater, including the director and design elements and playwright. And I think one of the things that will be beneficial about this course is that even if you're not a theater lover or have no intentions of ever auditioning for a role in a theater production, you will probably find how much this class relates to your personal life. As far as my background in teaching, I've been teaching at Allen County for, well, actually since I think the year 2000. I have a master's degree from Kansas State University in theater with a concentration in drama therapy. And I have been using theater elements in my work with elders. I work at 2 different retirement communities as a creative engagement specialist, and we use a lot of storytelling, puppetry, music, and things that are related to theater. So it's been really beneficial to have some of this information that I can put to use practically. So I look forward to meeting all of you, and I wish you the very best this semester, and here we go on our adventure.